Inihahandog ng Philippine Air Force at ng himpilang ito ang programang gagabay tungo sa kapayapaan ng bawat mamamaya at pag-unlad ng buong pamayanan. Usapang mga kapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran.
Mayong adlaw sa tutanan mga higala, kami po inyong Philippine Air Force, your air warriors and skylifters in the Visayas. At muli pong sumasayang papawig ang aming palatuntunang usapang pangkapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran Cebu. Kauban ang tulo ka partner na muna radio station diri sa Cebu City. Daghan kayong salamat kay Ma'am Annabel Lagrosas of DYMR 576 kHz Radio Pilipinas, kay Sir Jonix Napalyakan of DYLA 909 kHz, kay Ma'am Aileen Navarro ng DOIAR 765 Sunshine Radio Cebu, kay Ma'am Payet Renyen and Ma'am Hazel Gloria of PI7 sa pagtabang sa itong programa karong adlaw. Upo niyong host, First Lieutenant Edebert B. Baguio, Philippine Air Force, at kasama ang aking mga co-host na sina Second Lieutenant Lovelyn A. Ramirez, A1C Roel Grijaldo, and AW2C Yasmin Saladar, Philippine Air Force. Partner?
Ayan, isang mapagpalang araw po para sa ating lahat, lalo na sa libo-libong tagapakinig at tagapagsubaybay sa programang ito. Ang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran Cebu. Tayo dito ay mapanood sa ating social media platforms sa ating Facebook page ng CMO-AMC, 1000 BG Binyab, 1000 PAF at ang Up Cebu. Ang programa pong ito ay para sa ating pagnanais na may hatid po ang mga impormasyon na mayroong kinalaman sa pagsulong ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa ating pong bansang Pilipinas.
Thank you, partner. And let us also welcome our other comrades from Air Mobility Command, from TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing, from 220th Airlift Wing, and from 5OPIF Search and Rescue Group. Daghang kaayong salamat for tuning in with us and for supporting our program. Partner?
Mga kasama, kinagagalak po nating makasama ang ating mga resource speakers ngayong araw na sina Major Biniliza A. Salazar, Philippine Air Force, the Chief SMO ng ODO, and Major Cesar M. Rimas, Philippine Air Force, the Chief Operations of ODO ng TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing. Sir, bumati po muna tayo, sir, sa ating pong mga tagapakinig at taga-subaybay.
Mayong buntag sa tanan. Ako si Major Salazar from TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing.
Magandang araw sa lahat ng tagapakinig ng Usapang Pangkapayapaan at Usapang Pangkaunlaran Cebu. Ako si Major Ribas, ang inyong lingkod.
Yes, sir. Partner?
Good morning, sir and ma'am. For our first question, kamusta naman po ang mga personnel ng TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing?
For that question, with the recently concluded anniversary namin, the 72nd anniversary, ang masasabi ko na yung mga personnel ng TOOPIF ay very proud and sobrang high moral. Dahil ang TOOPIF is becoming world-class with the excellent leadership ng aming wing commander na si Brigadier General Alvin M. Hate, Philippine Air Force. We can confidently say that our personnel is equipped and at the same time, motivated kami to go beyond excellence in our performance of our duties.
So yun nga, dahil sa tama yung sinabi ni Major Salazar, dahil yung TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing ay nagiging world-class, kaya ang mga personnel dito sa TOOPIF ay talagang proud sa unit na ito.
Thank you, sir, ma'am. No? Happy anniversary pala sa inyo, TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing. At napakaganda ng balita na we are becoming world-class, especially here in TOOPIF and for the Philippine Air Force as well. Partner?
Thank you, partner. So, ma'ams and sirs, for our next question, what are the mission and functions of TOOPIF Tactical Helicopter Wing, ma'am and sir?
What are the mission and function ng unit namin? So, ang mission ng unit namin is to conduct tactical heli-lift operation in support to the accomplishment of the Philippine Air Force mission. Sa functions naman namin, una, we conduct limited close air support. Pangalawa, we provide heli-lift requirements of law enforcement agencies and other government agencies tulad nung kinakandak natin ngayon. Pangatlo, perform disaster relief and rehabilitations operations, hindi lang sa 505 nagagawa rin namin yon. Then conduct air surveillance and limited reconnaissance. We perform aircraft maintenance activities. We conduct technical training to pilots and crew, conduct training to maintenance and personnel. We also conduct search and rescue, resupply, medevac, and other mission related to national security. We also perform the night vision goggles We have the Bambi bucket. We also have the fast rope insertion and extrication, hoist operation, and cargo slang operations sa mga far-flung areas. And lastly, we also perform other function as directed by the higher headquarters.
Thank you po, ma'am. Ngayon, alam na natin yung gaano ka-wide yung functions ng 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing. And of course, may inform na yung ating mga viewers kung ano talaga yung mission at function ng 205th.
We fly anywhere, anytime,
Anywhere,
anywhere.
we are always there. We can make things happen. Yan yung ating slogan ngayon.
Yes, sir. So, we'll make that happen, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Partner?
Thank you, partner. And good to know po no na always nandyan po yung TOOPIC po sa atin po mag-support po. And then ma'am, sir, can you discuss on the latest ongoing programs, activities, at ano po yung mga preparations niyo po sa recent anniversary po ng TOOPIC po? Thank you,
For the
sir.
recent programs and activities, for the year in review, nag-establish tayo ng mga world-class facilities. So, ang 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing ay meron ng world-class classroom na yung mga piloto natin, nandun sila, nag-aaral, talagang high-tech, very high-tech yung ating world-class classroom. With recent activities naman natin, nag-conduct tayo ng iba't ibang competition para ma-enhance yung ating yung mga skills ng 205 personnel like Battle of the Brain. Syempre, dapat knowledgeable ang ating pilots and crew. Andyan din ang ating gunnery challenge. So, gunnery competition. So, ang mga helicopter natin, lumilipad yan, may pang-depensa yan. So, tinetrain natin yan, yung mga aerial door gunner natin, na syempre, dapat yung mga machine guns natin. Talagang dapat ma-target nila yung mga dapat i-target. Kumbaga. At meron din tayong maintenance challenge. Syempre, marami na tayong modern Black Hawk ngayon at kinakailangan na yung mga maintenance personnel natin ay very knowledgeable enough and competent, efficient, and effective enough para mapabilis yung ating maintenance activities. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng maintenance competition sa ating mga personnel at OFIP personnel, maintenance personnel.
Sir, it's nice to hear, sir, no? Yung lahat ng mga activities na ginagawa niyo sa TOOPIC Tactical Helicopter Wing. And with that, sir, we have a short break po muna para sa gamay ng mga pahinumdum.
In times of need, the roars of their rotors bring hope. They are the Black Hawk helicopters of the Philippine Air Force. In 2017, these new helicopters boosted the capability of the Philippine Air Force for heli-lift operations.
They are faster, bigger, stronger.
They can carry more troops in and out of the battlefield, airlifting the injured and saving the lives of our soldiers. These magnificent machines can carry up to 6 times more cargo than our other helicopters, delivering essential logistical support for our ground forces and bringing relief goods to communities in times of calamities and disasters. Manned by our skilled pilots and crew, these Black Hawk helicopters are always ready for action. As the Philippine Air Force continues to modernize, more of these workhorses will thrive and dominate the Philippine skies, bringing peace and hope to our country and people.
That's 5 in a minute.
Okay, balik na to sa ato ang topic para sa ubang pang mga importanteng announcement na gikan sa TOOPIC Tactical Helicopter Wing. Sir, for my question naman, sirs and ma'am, no? Sir, ano naman po, sir, yung mga naging accomplishment ng inyong unit ngayon at sa mga nakaraang taon?
Kung maalala nyo yung nakaraang sunog sa Tondo, Manila, grabe, hindi kakayanin ng mga fire trucks na maapula ang apoy na yon sa loob ng 24 oras. Kaya andyan ang ating pinaka-main effort na 505th Search and Rescue Group. Meron silang mga Bambi bucket systems. At nandyan ang ating mga modern Black Hawk na nag-back up para mabilis mapatay ang sunog. At ayun, mission accomplished in span of 2 hours. Wala. Naapula ang apoy ng, sa Tondo, Manila.
Yes, sir. It's nice to hear that, sir, no? So, As our conversation kanina, sir, mayroon kayo i-share na video para makita po ng ating mga taga-subaybay?
O sige, ito yung anniversary video at we are proud to share this. Let's watch this video.
Nature intended us for the ground. We chose to fly. We forge our wings from steel, and with every rotation of our rotors, we answer a higher calling to protect, serve, and uplift our nation from above. For 72 years, the Philippines have witnessed the dedication and courage of the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing, capable of responding to a wide range of missions, from disaster relief and humanitarian aid to combat support. We soar forward to accelerate with excellence, providing world-class tactical helilift capability in support of regional peace, security, and development. Throughout this year, our unit has achieved remarkable milestones that exemplify our relentless pursuits of excellence. The establishment of Maintenance Library, a hub for efficient access to technical publications, aircraft documents, and training materials. We have also initiated the establishment of a world-class classroom, fostering a conducive learning environment for 205th students and instructors. This world-class facility aims to mold and produce students with a world-class standard of knowledge. Committed to continuous improvement, the wing initiated the upgrading of CUH hangar to meet international aviation standards, adding bright lighting, safety markings for tow lines, corridors, fire extinguisher and alarm sections. Emergency eye wash stations, showers, and first aid kits were also installed for quick response during emergencies. New barracks were also constructed, designed with comfort and functionality in mind to provide essential rest facilities for our pilots and crew. Mandatory pre-maintenance briefings enhances team awareness and preparedness, minimizing risks and optimizing operations. New standardized uniforms, complete with personalized names and qualifications, fostering a sense of belongingness and quick identification among the maintenance personnel. Establishment of a maintenance supply room and stock room with additional warehouses in Clark and Zamboanga for secure and efficient storage of aircraft spares and tools. Conduct of 24-hour maintenance shift for PMI-2 of S-70I Black Hawk for reduced aircraft downtime and increased operational readiness. Successful maintenance forum with Lockheed Martin Global Incorporated Sikorsky addressed maintenance challenges and shared best practices for operational and logistical efficiency. Compliant to the standards of USARPAC and US PACOM to ensure sustained reliability and effectiveness of the S-70I Black Hawks. The wing has requested the allocation of funds for the procurement of additional ground support equipment and special tools. This request aims to address the challenges the wing faces due to the shortage of GSE and tools necessary to sustain mandatory inspections and perform maintenance activities simultaneously. The proposed performance-based logistics program for the multi-year sustainment of the S-70I utility helicopters for the Philippine Air Force has been approved by the Secretary of National Defense, Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr. On training, enhance aerial firefighting capabilities through Bumby Bucket training. Trained in heli-slung load operations focused on enhancing the transport of essential supplies in challenging terrains and disaster zones. Cross-country IFR day and night for S-70I Black Hawk pilots to enhance all-weather mission capabilities. Computer-based training aids, simulating flight procedures before actual lessons. enhance interoperability through joint training with the Philippine Army, focusing on day and night tactical helilift operations through fast rope insertion and extrication system, and special patrol insertion and extrication system. Undertake a mission-critical deck landing qualification training and cargo sling and net training, showcasing the unit's operational readiness and reinforcing essential cooperation between the Philippine Air Force and the Philippine Navy. Collaborated with the 505th Search and Rescue Group for the conduct of rescue hoist training with the S-70I Black Hawk. Initiating subject matter expert exchange for capability upgrade on sling load and cargo net operations, Bumby bucket, deck landing and aircraft maintenance operations with the Hawaii National Guard. Enhanced heli bucket and sling load operations proficiency through pilots and maintenance crew training, SMEE in Hawaii. The wing also conducted pre-anniversary activities like the first ever Battle of the Brains by squadron, group, and wing level. This competition fosters camaraderie and nurtures a competitive spirit among maintenance personnel, promoting sportsmanship while spotlighting their expertise and knowledge across the wing's 3 platforms. The wing also conducted the aerial door gunnery competition and maintenance challenge. With 13 new pilots and 75 additional enlisted personnel, we are expanding our team to elevate our capabilities and meet the evolving demands of our mission. These advancements are building a stronger foundation for the wing's future. Equipped with the legendary UH-1H, Bell 412, and the modern Black Hawks, the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing remains steadfast in its commitment to serving our nation with honor and distinction. Facing every challenge with unwavering resolve, we rise to the occasion. We are the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing, always there, anytime, anywhere. We can make things happen.
Partner, for the next question.
Thank you, sir. So, ang next question po natin is about the NTF LCAC. So, our question goes like, what are the roles and programs of the 205th in support of the National Regional Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict, or yung mas kilala po natin as NTF or RTFL? Ma'ams and sir?
So again, magandang hapon ulit. So ang role ng 205th sa NTF LCAC is to provide heli-lift capability to the armed forces of the Philippines. And yung sa activity na tulad nitong meron tayo ngayon na kinakanda.
Yes, ma'am. Copy, ma'am. So again, ma'am, na it connects to the functions, to the wide functions. And yung sinabi nyo nga po kanina, sir, na 205th is really everywhere and sa lahat po ng program na pinupursue din po ng ating government. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Partner?
Thank you po. And ma'am, para naman po sa aking question, ma'am, alam naman po natin, ma'am, na yung nangyari po ngayon sa West Philippine Sea, ma'am. Ano po yung mga naging tugon po ng unit niyo, ma'am, regarding po doon sa West Philippine Sea issue po?
Magandang araw ulit. Siyempre, miyembro tayo ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. And Armed Forces of the Philippines are tasked to safeguard our sovereignty and territorial integrity. So we are currently building up our capabilities. So dati wala tayong cargo sling and net, wala tayong rescue hoist, wala tayong Bambi bucket. Nagkaroon na po tayo at magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng external internal fuel tank na install sa ating mga Black Hawk. At syempre, ang interoperability natin with the Philippine Army and the Philippine Navy para mag-increase pa ang ating effectiveness and efficiency sa pagresponde in any eventuality. Syempre, with the help of our counterpart in the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Army. We also support the government in its diplomatic efforts, diplomatic approach to resolve tensions in the West Philippine Sea. Overall, the 2OPIP as part of the AFP plays a crucial role in ensuring the security of the West Philippine Sea amid the ongoing territorial dispute and regional tensions.
So, thank you, ma'ams and sirs. At this point, dadako naman po tayo sa ating mga bisita para sa araw na to. If there is anyone in the Zoom who wants to say their questions and throw their questions to our attendees for today, sa members po ng 205th, pwede na po kayong mag-raise ng inyong questions. So, ma'ams and sirs, if there is none po na mag-raise ng kanilang questions, we'll proceed na po to the next part of our interview. Partner?
Yes, partner, and thank you. And I guess, partner, mga other attendees po natin is wala naman pong questions. And sirs, ma'am, bago po tayo magtapos sa ating programa, ating pong pakinggan at hingian ng parting statement or message ang ating mga guest speaker ngayong hapon. Unahin po natin si Ma'am Major Binilesa A. Salazar. Ma'am, baka po meron po kayong parting statement, ma'am, or additional announcement po.
Magandang hapon ulit. Sa akin lang naman is, wala naman akong masyadong masasabi, kundi mag-aas lang ako sa bawat isa na to continue support yung 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing and yung buong Philippine Air Force, lalo na ang Air Force in the Visayas. Then, please help us every day na mag-pray para sa safety ng mga pilots and crew natin and ng buong kasundaluhan dito sa Visayas area.
Next po, sir. Sir Rimas po, sir. Baka meron din po kayong statement or message po, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sabi nga nila, mission first but safety always. Napakalaking tulong ang pagbigay nyo ng prayers sa ating para sa ating mission accomplishment, para sa ating pilots and crew, para ma-perform namin ng safe ang lahat ng mission. Salamat.
Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, for that comprehensive information you discussed to us. Saludo po kami lahat na ginagawa ng 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing sa ating area of responsibility. Hanggang sumuli po, sirs and ma'am, thank you so much. And with that,
Mga kaibigan, sa ngalan po ng aming Commanding General Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force.
Sa ngalan din po ng aming Commander, Air Mobility Command, Major General Juanis Leonardi V. Di Maano, Philippine Air Force.
At sa ngalan din po ng aming Acting Wing Commander, Tactical Operations Wing Central, Colonel Honorly B. Brillantes, Philippine Air Force General Staff Corps.
Ako po si First Lieutenant Edibert B. Baguio, Philippine Air Force, the Director for Civil Military Operations of Tactical Operations Wing Central.
Ako naman po si Second Lieutenant Lovelyn A. Ramirez.
at ako naman po si A10 Well and Graldo, Philippine Air Force.
At ako naman po si AW2C Yasmin Salazar, Philippine Air Force.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagsubaybay. God bless, mabuhay po tayong lahat and keep safe everyone.